This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 7T versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now the OnePlus 7T, this one has the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, 8 gigs of RAM on Android 10 and its latest version of Oxygen OS. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, this one has the Snapdragon 855 Non-Plus variant, a massive 12 gigs of RAM, Android 9, and its latest version of the One UI interface. I'm gonna go ahead and put the S Pen in. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. OnePlus versus Samsung. Always an interesting matchup. Let's see which one has the faster boot up here. Seeing some activity on the 7T. Oh! Phone is starting on both. Oh! I don't know, man. Let me know in the comments below who you think won. Looks like the Samsung started up first, but the weather came up later. The weather here, or the time, came up right away. So I don't know. You guys are the judges. And we are in! All right, let's go ahead and just swipe over. And then as you can see, no recently used apps on the Note 10 Plus. And let's see here, on the 7T on the left, no recent items. As you can see, all apps, caches, the browsers have been cleared. So let's go ahead and get started by tapping the phone app. Note, messages, very close. Maybe that one was a tie. We'll go ahead and launch the camera and do it like this so you can see the viewfinder. Ooh, that was the note on that one, as you can see. All right, let's go ahead and start up the clock on both. Call that one a draw. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both. Leave that running in the background, and we'll go ahead and check out the browsers. Chrome and Samsung Internet. All right, let's search for, I don't know, Verge. Always like to check out the Verge, see what's going on in the cell phone world. Go. And I do have dark mode on the Note 10 Plus. And let's see. Ooh, I think the browsing on this one goes to the Note 10. Okay, gonna do some scrolling here. Nice and fast on both phones. Although on the 7T, I'm gonna go ahead and do some pinch to zooming. Well, actually on the Note 10 first. Check that out. But however, on the on the 7T with its 90Hz display, super smooth. Click on that one. And then let's see, what can we click on here? This is different. What's going on? I don't think I actually clicked on it. My bad. We'll pinch the zoom again. Pretty good on the Note 10, but yeah, on the 7T, 90Hz display, nice and buttery smooth. Let's go ahead and check out one more website. We'll go to GSM Arena. Whoops. Go. And we'll go check it out. Ooh. Desktop version on both. Ooh, very close. I think the 7T won that one. Pinch and zoom again. Nice and smooth on the 7T. Calculator. Neck and neck. Play Store. And again, very close. We'll click on this one. Very close again. Amazon. Man, so close. We'll click on this. Neck and neck, identical performance, really. Maybe a little bit faster on the 7T. Slightly faster on the 7T again, but not really that big of a difference. We'll go check out the Mario Run. Oh, now that was a draw. Tap to begin. Ooh, man, so close. Couldn't tell IRL which one was faster on that one. Very negligible differences, really? Oh, all right. Who took this one? Let's find out in a second. And give it to the Note 10. We'll tap to play, and then we'll go to the next one, Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in, both phones. Let's check it out. Which one will be out in front? Ooh, looks like the 7T is gonna take this one. And we'll give the win to the OnePlus 7T on this, as you can see. Go ahead and swipe away. And then we do have the Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. Check this one out. Oh, and give this to the Note. So you can see. Get out of this. Whoops. Gotta be honest though, the swiping on Android 10, I don't know how I feel about it, but it is what it is. PUBG Mobile. Tencent Games. Ooh, I think the 7T's out in front. Hearing noise first from the 7T. Loading on both. 7T I think is ahead. And we'll give the win to the OnePlus 7T on this. So you can see. Get rid of all this extra stuff. Okay, what do we have next? We do have the Photoshop Express on both. All right, and it's this picture. This is an 8K image that I like to use. Let's see, we'll go to Charm, and then we'll just go ahead and choose, let's see, Memory. We'll choose that one for this one. Jack this up all the way, and we'll click on this. And then we'll save the gallery on both. See which one does it faster, go. A little bit faster on the right, as you can see. Twitter, very close. Instagram, man, so close. A little bit faster on the 7T on the WhatsApp, Snapchat. We'll give that to the 7T. Let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. Now, Note 10, 12 gigs of RAM, 8 gigs of RAM on the 7T. 7T has the Snapdragon 855 Plus. Note 10 has the non-Plus Snapdragon 855. So let's see what differences we observe. We're gonna look for any lags, any stutters, or anything weird that might happen. I have a feeling both of these phones will just go through these apps like nothing, but let's see. That was the PUBG, so this one, Asphalt 9. Looking good so far on both phones. The Angry Birds 2, ooh, a little bit of a lag on the left. Okay, that was a little weird. On the 7T, then we do have the Temple Run. Paused and ready to resume on both phones. Mario Time on both. Ready to go. We do have the eBay. Same place. Amazon. Same place. Wait, nope, my bad. Amazon, there we go. Same place on the Amazon. Play Store. Same place. Calculator. Same place. The browsers. Not a problem. Clock. Still running the stopwatch. Now the camera, we'll go ahead and do it like this. Go. A little bit faster on the right. And then let's see, we do have the messages. A little bit faster on the Note. And the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on Team OnePlus, rocking your OnePlus 7T? Do you have the OnePlus 7 or the OnePlus 7 Pro, OnePlus 6, OnePlus 6T, OnePlus 5T? If you have those older phones, are you gonna switch to the 7T, or are you gonna get the spec'd out OnePlus 7T McLaren Edition? Or are you a Samsung Knight, rocking your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus? Are you rocking the S10 or S10 Plus, the Note 9 from last year, S9, S8, or Note 8? Or are you old school and have S7 Edge? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.